Birds. Vocabulary bird. Peacock. Cock. Turkey. Spruce grouse. Parrot. Macaw. Canary. Hen. Pigeon. Duck. Goose. Swan. Gadwall. Mandarin duck. Mallard. King eider. Loon. Crane. Heron. Hawk. Eagle. Partridge. Tinamou. Owl. Vulture. Crow. Nightingale. Bulbul. Seagull. Starling. Kingfisher. Atlantic puffin. Greater cuckoo. Cormorant. Cuckoo. Dove. Penguin. Pelican. Ostrich. Emu. Spoonbill. Fairy wren. Albatross. Arctic tern. Flamingo. Gray-crowned crane. Red cardinal. Snow bunting. Hoopoe. Lorikeet. Toucan. Cockatoo. Finch. Robin. Woodpecker. Golden oriole. Crown pigeon. Kookaburra. Swift. Falcon. Kiwi. Quail. Gambel's quail. Blue jay. Stork. Trogon. Nuthatch. Northern gannet. Battler. Chestnut-breasted coronet. Himalayan monal. Hornbill. Bluebird. Lark. Amazonian motmot. Waxwing. Cockatiel. Gray parrots. Indian roller. Jacamar. Water hen. Black drongo. Blackbird. Babbler. Jacobin cuckoo. Magnificent frigate, bird. Rajiana, bird of a paradise. Baba weaver. Beater. Lyrebird. Sparrow. Gray teal. Sunbird. African jacana. Secretary bird. Corncrake. Coal tit. Tropic bird. Antbird. Barbet. Bluethroat. Fairy bluebird. Fieldfare. Frogmouth. Goldcrest. Flycatcher. Helmet vonga. Hill mina. Hoatzin. Honeyeater. Leafbird. Kingbird. Monarch. Nightjar. Paradise flycatcher. Phoebe. Red-whiskered bulbul.
Reedling.
Saddleback. Wren. Warbler. Turacos. Swallow. Coleto. Thanks for watching.